Hallowed is an adjective that means greatly revered, honored or regarded as sacred. Something that is hallowed is highly respected and often considered holy or blessed. This word is typically used to describe places, traditions or items that hold deep spiritual or cultural significance. Origins of hallowed. Hallowed originates from the Old English halig, meaning holy or sacred. Versa, the word has been used for centuries to refer to things or places set apart as sacred or revered. It is famously used in the Christian prayer, Our Father, where the line, "Hallowed be thy name," expresses reverence for God's name, highlighting the term's association with holiness and respect. How to use hallowed. Hallowed is often used to describe sacred or highly esteemed places, traditions, or people. It can apply to religious sites, cherished rituals, or cultural landmarks that are treated with reverence. For instance, a historic battleground may be called hallowed ground, or an influential leader's legacy may be considered hallowed in the memory of those they inspired. Example sentences: they walked in silence through the hallowed halls of the old cathedral, feeling the weight of its history. Each year, the team returns to the hallowed ground of the stadium where their legacy began. Similar words: sacred, considered worthy of spiritual respect or worship; revered, deeply respected and honored; consecrated, declared or made sacred. In essence, hallowed conveys a deep sense of honor and reverence, often reserved for people, places or things imbued with cultural, historical or spiritual importance. It's a word that captures the awe and respect held for what is viewed as precious or holy. Subscribe.